Hi, YouTubers. Hope you guys are doing well. Just want to let you know, Niler is still here. Whew. Just had to do a reassessment of my channel and my life and what I wanted to do. Sewing was my career. It was my profession. But I kind of got a little tired of it. So now I'm going in a different direction. As you can see behind me, I have a lot of yarn. Yes, a lot of yarn. Because my new direction has me making crochet animals, or AKA amigurumis. Look it up if you don't know what that means. I'm sorry. I'm not going to explain it right now. Okay, love you. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I have been doing craft shows for the last 12 months. And I've been loving it. I did not know it was going to be as fun and as exciting as it is. But once I did it, I recognized that I loved it so much. Every month I'm doing a craft show. So now it's become my regular. So I'll have to start sharing my craft show adventures with you guys, as well as all of my crochet animals with you guys. But there is another thing I'm doing. Yes! I am gardening. I love gardening because I get an opportunity to eat the stuff that I make. Oh my goodness. I've got to share some of that with you. I have been gardening since the pandemic, but it was kind of on a small scale. But now I have kind of, upped it up, pumped it up a little bit. Yeah. So I'm so excited about it. I've been able to share my gardening with a lot of my friends and family so that they get an opportunity to get some healthy, non-pesticide vegetables that are so good for you. So I have to share some of the things that I've done in my garden. So I hope my sewing community is not too upset with me. I will try to get some of those sewing designs and sewing projects. I'll try to get some of those videos in there. I try to sneak them in there. But I'm going to be honest with you. Crocheting has become my new love. So that is what I'm going to focus on more, as well as gardening. So keep watching. And thanks again for being so loyal to my channel and watching, even though I haven't been there in several months. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm back. And I'll try and do better. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will try my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see everything I upload from this point forward. I know in the past, didn't happen. But now, going forward, I will upload videos. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to communicate and talk with you guys. Happy sewing. Happy crocheting. And happy gardening. Bye, you guys. Talk to you in my next video.